Welcome to Rai Class VI, representing the House, is here to represent a poem. The title of my poem is I Should Have Stayed in Bed Today by Rai Class VI. I should have stayed in bed today, in bed's where I belong. As soon as I got up today, things started going wrong. I got a splinter in my foot. My puppy made me fall. I squirted toothpaste in my ear. I crashed into the wall. I knocked my homework off the desk. It landed on my toes. I spilled a glass of chocolate milk. It soaked into my clothes. I accidentally bit my tongue. That really made me moan. And it was far from funny when I banged my funny bone. I scraped my knees. I bumped my nose. I sat upon a pin.